Hello everyone, welcome to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. I have come up with a new video. The topic is ratio and proportion. In this, we are going to find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D using the shortest technique. It will be saving a lot of your time, and let's see how to find the ratio of this. Finding the ratios, let's consider one example. A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is 5 is to 4. C is to D is 3 is to 7. Then we have to find what is the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. First step, we will write A is to B is to C is to D, leaving some space in between. How much is A is to B? 2 is to 3. So under A we write 2, under B we will write 3, 2 is to 3. B is to C is 5 is to 4. Where is B here? So under B we will write 5, under C 4. Now next C is to D. Under C we will write 3 and under D we will write 7. Now, wherever the empty places are here, like A is to B, C and D are vacant. So, draw small lines. I'm filling the gaps. Now, in B and C, B is to C, near A we are having one vacant place and near D we are having. Similarly, near C is to D, we can write it before B and A here. Two vacant spaces, we are drawing lines. So, how to fill this one? What we'll do, go to first A is to B here, 2 is to 3. So, after 3 there is vacant place. So we will write the same number 3 and in the next dash also repeat with the same number. Come to 5 is to 4. Before 5 there is one vacant place. So we will repeat the same number 5. So after 4 also there is one vacant place. So write the same number. Now coming to 3 is to 7 here. Before 3 there are two vacant spaces. So write as it is 3 two times. Now almost we are done. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply it column wise here. So 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 under A. Next, come to B. 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. Go to C. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now D. Under D you can see 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84. That's it. This is your answer. If not, we can reduce it. You can take the common multiple if it is there. Which table it is going, you can check that one and we can write it. So 3, we will consider 3. 3 10s are 30. 3 15s are 45. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Means 3 12s are 36. Coming to 84. 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. Therefore, A is to B is to C is to D equals to 10 is to 15 is to 12 is to 28. You can observe this is the shortest method. Instead of multiplying A, B, again B into C, C into D, such a lengthy process and we may forget also sometimes. But in this we can't forget anything. Just you have to arrange it, write it, multiply and write the answer. This one still we can further modify. The same example what we have seen, the before one, easily without multiplying and writing also you can write the final answer. How means you observe here 2 5 3 3 5 3 3 4 3 3 4 7 here under D. You find out the common number which is there in, like in A there is 3. The same is been repeated under B also. 3 is repeated under C also. 3 is repeated under D also. Now you take 5 here. 5 is there in A, is there in B, but it is not there in C. So we will not consider 5. Similarly, 2 you consider. In A 2 is there, but in B 2 is not there. So which is not common. So the number which we are considering, it should be there in all this A, B, C, D. So we will take 3 now. Cross out 3 here under A. Under B also you cross out 3. Any 3 you can consider, this or this. Under C also we will cross out 3. Under D also we will cross out 3. So now you multiply. 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. So instead of multiplying all the things, writing answer, again reducing. So directly if you find any common thing like this, the number, cross out and directly you can write the answer. Now consider one more example. A is to B is 3 is to 5. B is to C is 4 is to 3. C is to D is 2 is to 3. Then same thing. A is to B is to C is to D we have to find. Same, write this one. A is to B is to C is to D. 3 is to 5 under A and B. 4 is to 3 under B and C. C is to D under C and D. Now wherever the vacant spaces, draw lines. What we are doing now here, under B, A is to B, if you see 5 is there, so repeat 5 here, repeat 5. Now before 4, repeat the same number, 4. After 3, vacant space, so write 3. Now before 2, there are 2 dashes, empty spaces. So 2, 2 we are writing. That's it. So you observe, as we discussed, Any common number is there. Now here 3 is there. Is 3 in B? No. So it will not come. Under A 4 is there. Under B also 4 is there. But under C there is no 4. So you can't consider 4 also. Now take 2. Under A 2 is there. B also 2 is there. C also 2 is there. But under D there is no 2. So we can't cross out any numbers over here. So we have to multiply here. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Now next one. 5 4s are 20. 22s are 40. Or you can take 5 2s are 10. 10 4s are 40. Next. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Next one. 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. That's it. This is our answer. A is to B is to C is to D. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If they are asking what is B is to D, you can take 40 is to 30. Cancel 0, 0. Therefore, 4 is to 3 is your answer. If what is A is to D, 24 is to 45 you can write. If they are going in any table, you can cancel, reduce it, and you can write the ratio. How much is A is to B? 24 is to 40 you can write it. If you are able to reduce it to lowest terms, you reduce it and you can write it. I think it will be very easy for you all to solve the ratios like this. It can be taken for 2 or 3 ratios also. Only if A is to B is to C is given also, you can follow the same method. Let's take the ratio of now. A is to B is 4 is to 6, B is to C is 3 is to 7. Here we have taken only A, B, C. Then find the ratio of A is to B is to C. The same rule will apply and we'll find the ratios. A is to B is to C, 4 is to 6, A and B. B is to C is 3 is to 7. So the empty places wherever we are having, we will take as dashes. So 6 is there, 4 is to 6. So repeat the same number 6, 3 is to 7 before 3. So the number here, same number we will get. So now the next step is only multiplying. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42. That's it. This is, now we can cross out, see the multiple, the common multiple. So we can consider 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 7s are 42. Therefore, the ratio of A is to B is to C is 2 is to 3 is to 7. If you want only A is to C, you can take it to be as 2 is to 7. B is to C is how much? 3 is to 7. By looking at this, you can give the answer. See, without writing this product here itself, you can reduce it. Like 3 is there here, 3 is there here. If you take 6, it is like the multiple of 2 and 3. So here itself 3, 3 and make this 6 as 2. Again, if you observe, we will have 4, 2 and there is one more multiple in 6, 2. Means you should get that idea how to reduce it. If not, directly here you can write it like this and you can cross out and you can write the ratios. Any method which is easier for you can adopt. Hope you all like the ratios trick. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much.